Like, I hate wasted potential. That shit crushes your spirit. It really does. It crushes your soul.